Being born with a silver spoon in your mouth is often seen as a symbol of privilege and luxury. It implies a life where opportunities and resources are abundant from the very beginning. Yet, this perception overlooks the immense sacrifice and effort that the original wealth builders often endure. These family founders toil for years, striving to create a legacy, generational wealth, that can sustain their families for decades to come. But what exactly is generational wealth, and how can you create it for your family? Let's dive in. Generational wealth refers to the financial assets, investments, and resources passed down from one generation to the next. Unlike personal wealth, which might be enjoyed and depleted within a single lifetime, generational wealth is built with the intention of enduring for many generations. While there are countless examples of self-made millionaires and billionaires, their stories often end with the accumulation of wealth for personal use. In contrast, those who plan for generational wealth focus on creating systems and structures to ensure their assets benefit future generations. This requires not just financial acumen but also vision, patience, and a commitment to long-term planning. The names of families with generational wealth often stand out in history. The Rothschild family, rising to prominence in the 1760s, Mayor Amschel Rothschild built a banking empire that spanned across 5 European courts. Over generations, this family fortune grew into one of the largest in history. Benjamin Franklin. Franklin's will left $2,000 to the cities of Philadelphia and Boston with the condition that it couldn't be used for 200 years. By 1990, this trust had grown to $6.5 million, showcasing the power of long-term investment. The Rhodes Trust, created in 1902 by Cecil John Rhodes. This trust funds the Rhodes Scholarship, helping students attend Oxford University to this day. While controversial in its origins, it's an example of wealth aimed at fostering future generations' education. Building generational wealth is not an overnight process. It requires dedication, strategic planning, and a focus on long-term goals. Here are the key steps to creating a lasting legacy. 1. Invest in long-term assets. Long-term investments are the cornerstone of generational wealth. These assets not only preserve capital but often grow in value over time, ensuring financial security for future generations. Real estate, land, and commercial properties tend to appreciate over time and provide stable income streams. For example, purchasing rental properties can generate consistent cash flow while increasing in value over decades. Stocks and bonds. A diversified portfolio with a mix of high-growth stocks and stable, dividend-paying investments can provide both immediate income and long-term growth. Precious metals and collectibles. Tangible assets like gold, fine art, and rare books can retain and grow in value over decades. These are often considered safe havens during economic uncertainty. 2. Utilize compound interest. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for wealth creation. Reinvesting earnings over time allows wealth to grow exponentially. This principle is the cornerstone of trust funds and other long-term financial strategies. Example: a $10,000 investment earning a 7% annual return will grow to over $76,000 in 30 years with compound interest. This exponential growth is what makes it essential for building generational wealth. 3. Create a trust fund. A trust fund can protect and manage wealth for future generations. By setting clear rules for disbursement, families can ensure their assets are preserved and grown over time. Trust funds rely on professional management and legal structures to ensure that the wealth is distributed according to the family's wishes. This might include stipulations like age restrictions or educational requirements for beneficiaries. 4. Build a family business. Family-owned businesses can be excellent vehicles for generational wealth. By reinvesting profits and involving family members in management, the business can serve as both an income source and a legacy. Example: the Mars family, known for their confectionery empire, has successfully maintained their wealth through strong family governance and strategic business growth. 5. Educate future generations. Teaching children and grandchildren the value of money, investing, and financial planning is crucial. Without this knowledge, even the largest fortunes can quickly disappear. Budgeting, saving, and understanding investment basics are essential skills. Families can also introduce younger members to the principles of wealth management by involving them in family financial discussions. 6. Diversify your investments. Diversification minimizes risk and ensures that no single event can completely erode the family's wealth. Asset types. A balanced portfolio might include real estate, stocks, bonds, private equity, and alternative investments like venture capital. Geographic spread. Investing in different regions can protect against localized economic downturns. Generational wealth offers significant advantages. A stronger starting point. Future generations have access to education, opportunities, and financial resources that allow them to pursue their passions without financial stress. Philanthropy. Many wealthy families use their resources to create scholarships, grants, and charities that benefit society at large. Freedom to innovate. With a safety net in place, family members can take risks, start businesses, or pursue creative endeavors. Despite its benefits, generational wealth is not immune to pitfalls. 1. Greed and mismanagement. Family members must align on shared goals and values. Greed or poor financial decisions can erode even the largest fortunes. 2. Poor investments. Reckless spending or ill-advised investments can rapidly deplete wealth. Working with professional financial advisors is essential. 3. Dilution over time. As families grow, the number of inheritors increases, potentially straining the family fortune. Establishing clear guidelines for inheritance can mitigate this risk. 4. External threats. Economic downturns, legal disputes, or falling victim to fraud schemes can jeopardize generational wealth. Maintaining diversified investments and robust financial safeguards is crucial. Steps to ensure longevity of generational wealth. 1. Establish strong governance. Families with generational wealth often create family constitutions or councils to oversee financial decisions. These governance structures help mediate disputes and align family members around shared goals. 2. Develop a philanthropic vision. Philanthropy can help unify family members around a shared purpose, reducing internal conflicts while benefiting society. Examples include creating charitable foundations or supporting causes aligned with family values. 3. Regularly update plans. Economic conditions and family dynamics change over time. Regularly reviewing and updating financial plans ensures that strategies remain relevant. Building generational wealth requires hard work, sacrifice, and a commitment to the future. By investing wisely, educating future generations, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can create a legacy that benefits your family for years to come. Remember, generational wealth is not just about money. It's about creating opportunities and a better life for the ones who come after you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on building financial success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.